Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by stabilizing the watch face down on a soft pad and confirming the movement is secure. Remove the case back if needed. Use a loop and sterile tools to locate the stem release mechanism beside the crown tube. Once visible, gently pull the crown to the time setting position so you can access the small detent screw or push button. Make sure to work under bright light. This reduces slipping and helps you see the tiny parts before you start loosening anything. You now focus on the release. If there's a detent screw, turn it 1/4 to 1/2 turn counterclockwise. If a push button, depress gently with a pin. This frees the stem while keeping the winding gears engaged. Once the release engages, carefully pull the crown and stem straight out. Do not wiggle or angle it. Support the movement with your free finger or a movement holder to prevent gear displacement. If it resists, stop and reassess. Forced removal risk. You slide the crown off the stem by gripping it with jaw pliers or a crown puller while holding the stem steady. If the crown is press-fit, heat slightly with warm air to soften adhesive. Once removed, inspect the tube and crown for wear. Replace parts as needed. Reinsert the stem to verify correct engagement and function, then secure the detent screw or release mechanism. Make sure to test winding and time setting. Troubleshooting tip. If there's resistance or lateral play, don't force. Clean debris, check tube alignment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.